students, good morning to all of you. I am A.K. Misra, your social science teacher, to take your class. Today I have to start your first chapter from history. One more thing before I go to the topic and syllabus, I want to tell and I want to make you very aware of this very fact that this time the entire globe and the entire world is suffering from a kind of fear created by coronavirus. So I want to suggest to my dear students, stay in home, that is the safe place for you, and continue your study. I know that you all are very sincere and you understand and know the importance of study. So I feel and think that you are also doing labor at your home to prepare your syllabus, and in this context Vidya Niketan group is also very sincere for you to provide you and impart you clear-cut idea and proper guidelines for your development in all subjects. Today I have to discuss the rise of nationalism in Europe. This is a very important topic, and actually the present Europe and not only Europe, the present world, what we see in the creation and is the outcome of the rise of nationalism. Before the rise of or without the rise of nationalism, it was not possible to create such advanced ultra-modern society. So it is a boon that has been provided to the entire civilization, present civilization, and to the entire human civilization by nationalism in Europe. This topic is very important, and so in the beginning we have to collect idea and we have to know that what were the factors responsible for the rise of nationalism. Then we will discuss what were the outcomes of this very thing. This chapter, and especially not only this chapter, if you start reading history, world history especially, you have to have and you are required to have clear-cut idea of all the events, past events. That is the base, and without knowing past, you cannot understand the topic. So, first I would like to suggest you, please do whatever I am doing, that is not sufficient. I am trying my best to provide you maximum information relating to the topic, but I am not satisfied with this suggestion and what I am giving you. You must do continuous reading and thorough reading of this chapter. This is very important for you, because without knowing the past events, past matters, it is impossible to understand what was nationalism and how it flourished, how it developed, and how it became the source of development of not only Europe but the entire world. So, first important thing that I want to start and mention here, the French Revolution of 1789. The French Revolution of 1789 played very important role in the rise of nationalism. It provided a kind of stamina and strength. It provided or injected strength in the blood of Europeans. They started thinking about nationality, about nation. Previously, all the important maximum European countries, Holland, Brazil, Poland, and many more countries, were not in such situation and not in such shape. So they were divided into many types of teeny territories, duchies, and principalities. They were not aware of the fact that what is nationality, what I belong to which country, it was not known to me. So they were not sincere about the development of their nation. With the rise of nationalism, they started thinking that I should have a separate identity in the world. So this type of feeling provide them inspiration to do something, and it happened. And in this context, many important personalities like Mazzini, Garibaldi, Cavour, Bismarck, all these important personalities of Europe played very important role in unifying those territories and provided situation to flourish that united territory into a very powerful nation. That in coming years or that in future became the power of the world. I want to mention here the example of Germany. Germany was previously divided into separate many tiny principalities. When it got united, it became a power, and fortunately, a Bismarck-like personality, popularly known as the Iron Man of Europe, took the responsibility of the development and progress of this very country. This Germany gained so immense power that became the cause of its prosperity, it became the cause of progress, and a time came when it started living not only Europe, the entire world. The coming rulers or the rulers who came in future started thinking, and I am in comparison to Austria, I am in comparison to Russia, Britain and France. So, in the absence of nationality, in the absence of this very essence, it was impossible to think about these very things. So, the rise of nationalism provided the situation for the development, for the progress of Europe. In this context, the French Revolution of 1789 played very important role. You all know, dear students, you know, and you must have idea, and if you don't have idea, you are required surely and certainly you have to information to know that the revolution of 1789 erupted or started with three important messages, and these three important messages were liberty, equality, liberty, equality and fraternity. These three important messages provided very much inspiration to the Europeans, to the European countries. They started thinking about their liberty, about their freedom, that became the cause of tension in Central Europe and Eastern Europe. And from here, actually the place of Eastern Europe is the center from where the First World War and Second World started. So, it was a very important, it created a very important situation there. Liberty, the people like living in Greece, living in Macedonia, Albania, and many more countries are in that region. They were being ruled by Ottoman Empire, Ottoman Turkish Empire, and a Muslim ruler was there, and these important part of Europe, Eastern Europe and Central Europe was under the control of Ottoman Empire. Now, after the germination and after the birth and after the development of nationalism, they started thinking, how should I be slave? Why should I not be free? They started thinking about this very thing, and many more important personalities were there, intellectuals were there, they inspired them to struggle hard for liberty. So from where this feeling came? This feeling came from liberty. That I must be very this message that was given by French Revolution of 1789 became the source of inspiration. It provided a kind of power that became the cause of tension in Central Europe, tension in Eastern Europe, provocated them to a greater extent, and now they were not listening to a single word except liberty. And in such situation, in 1820-21, the Greek War of Independence started. Finally, and ultimately, this War of Independence became successful, and Greece was declared an independent state. So, we have to think, dear students, this liberty, this message which was given by the French Revolution of 1789 proved a very fruitful cause for the providing nationalism in the country, nationalism among Europeans. Second important thing, equality. Equality became the cause of the development of a nation. Equality played a very important role. Now the people of Switzerland, people of Belgium, people of Italy, people of Germany started thinking about their national unity. If I belong to a same ethnic community, if I belong to a same language, राइज ऑफ नेशनलिज्म, भारत में यूरोप में राष्ट्रवाद का उदय, इसमें फ्रांसीसी क्रांति जो 1789 ईस्वी में फ्रांस में हुई थी, आप सभी जानते हैं, ये 3 मैसेज दिया था विश्व को, और वो मैसेज था लिबर्टी, स्वतंत्रता, दूसरा था इक्वलिटी, समानता, और तीसरा था फ्रेटर्निटी, विश्व बंधुत्व। इसको जब वहाँ पर यूरोप में लोग राष्ट्रवादी विचारधारा के लोग हुए, और जब यहाँ पर राष्ट्रवादी विचारधारा वहाँ पनपने लगा, तो लोग इसमें ये तीनों कारणों का बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है। जैसे लिबर्टी, स्वतंत्र हमको होना चाहिए, जो ईस्टर्न यूरोप के जो प्रदेश थे, मैसिडोनिया, ग्रीस, अल्बानिया, सर्बिया, सराजेवो, वो जो देश थे वो सोचना शुरू किए कि हमको क्यों, हम पर मुस्लिम शासन क्यों हावी रहेगा, हम आज़ाद क्यों नहीं होंगे, हमको भी आज़ादी मिलनी चाहिए और हम भी उन्मुक्त रहेंगे, आज़ाद रहेंगे। तो एक बहुत बड़ा उनको इंस्पिरेशन का कारण बना, जो कि इससे इसका रिजल्ट ये हुआ कि वो आज़ाद हो गए, और फिर ओटोमन साम्राज्य की समाप्ति हुई, जिसमें कि ग्रीक वार ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस शुरू हुआ 1821 ईस्वी में। यूनान की स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन, उसमें लोग सफल हुए, लोगों में इतना उत्साह भर दिया एक क्रांति का मैसेज ने कि वो मर मिटने के लिए तैयार हो गए, और अंत में उस समय जो तुर्किश एम्पायर था, ओटोमन साम्राज्य, वो लड़खड़ा भी रहा था, उसका पतन भी हो रहा था, और वैसी स्थिति में आज़ाद हो गए। दूसरा, इक्वलिटी, समानता, इसमें स्ट्रॉन्ग नेशन, लोगों को आपस में मिल करके एक आइडेंटिटी के अंतर्गत, एक अम्ब्रेला के नीचे रहने का अवसर प्रदान किया कि हम इक्वल है, अगर हम भाषा एक बोलते हैं, हमारा खान पान एक है, हमारा एटिक्वेट एक है, हम सेम एथनिक ग्रुप के हैं, तो हम एक क्यों नहीं हैं, हम अलग अलग प्रिंसिपलिटी में क्यों बटे हुए हैं। इस लोग सोचना शुरू किया, और वो लोग प्रयास करना शुरू किया कि हम एक हो जाएं, और इसी का परिणाम है कि स्विट्जरलैंड, बेल्जियम, हॉलैंड, जर्मनी, इटली एक पावरफुल राष्ट्र का निर्माण हुआ। एक हमको विश्व में एक अलग पहचान होना चाहिए, इस बात पर लोग विचार करना शुरू किया, सोचना शुरू किया और उसके लिए वो एक्टिव हो गए। इसलिए इसका बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है। अगर फ्रांसीसी क्रांति को हम देखें तो इसका बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है राष्ट्रवादी प्रवृत्ति को पनपने में यूरोप में। थर्ड, फ्रैटर्निटी, विश्व बंधुत्व। विश्व बंधुत्व इसमें एक मैसेज दिया था कि हम विश्व में हमको सब लोग भाई हैं, सब हम एक हैं और भाईचारे का संबंध रखना चाहिए। ये मैसेज भी बहुत बड़ा काम किया और ये उस समय काम किया जब नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट अपने जब यूरोपीय अभियान पर चल रहा था, एक एक करके 1 by 1 पूरे यूरोप पर अपना वर्चस्व कायम करता जा रहा था। तो एक फ्रैटर्निटी, लोगों की ये सोच थी। कहा करता था, नेपोलियन कहा करता था कि मैं क्रांति का पुत्र हूँ, आई एम द सन ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशन, और सन ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशन, तो ये 3 मैसेज दिया है।